once again welcome you aboard United Flight 1695 to Newark. My name is Mitzi, your flight service coordinator. In command of our flight is Captain Steven, assisted by First Officer Eric. Our flight time will be 4 hours and 32 minutes. We ask that you direct your attention to the following important safety presentation.
To all United employees who are veterans, I want to thank you for your service to our country and to our airline.
I served for 4 years in the Marine Corps. We have thousands of veterans that work for United across the company, from flight operations, tech operations, to global headquarters.
I spent 4 years in the Navy. Veterans have had a major influence on United Airlines throughout its history. We're recruiting veterans, we're making sure that we retain veterans, and we're really serving veterans very well.
I was a pilot in the Air Force for 7 years. Teamwork is really emphasized at United Airlines. It's really, I think, what draws veterans to us. We're very mission-oriented and want to get folks there on time for safety.
I was in the Marine Corps for 5 years. United made it very easy for me to come back from the military to my mechanic job. They value what we've done for our country and what we've learned.
We take great pride in the training and the professionalism that our veterans bring to the job every single day.
Hello.
Hello. Konnichiwa. Ciao. Mabuhay.
Yes. We're excited to have you aboard. And we appreciate your attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. FAA regulation requires you to follow the instructions of our crew members and comply with posted and lighted signs.
Newark?
Which airline?
United.
You got it.
It's important to have your seatbelt on at all times. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the metal end into the buckle. Tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. When the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt should be fastened low and tight across your lap. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened even when the seatbelt sign is off.
Please take a moment to look around in order to familiarize yourself with this aircraft. This Boeing 737 is equipped with 4 exit doors, 2 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are opened in an emergency, slides will automatically inflate. In a water landing, forward door slides detach from the aircraft and serve as extra flotation. Do not use the aft exits unless advised by a crew member. You'll also find 4 life rafts located in marked compartments. 2 are located in ceiling compartments in the forward cabin, and 2 are in ceiling compartments aft of the rowing exits. There are also 4 window exits over the wings. All 8 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seat, remember, they may be behind you.
If you're seated in an exit row, you may be asked to assist the crew during an evacuation. If you're unable or uncomfortable, please ask the flight attendant to be moved. If you must evacuate the aircraft, exit path lights on or near the floor will illuminate and guide you to the exit. Look for a change in color or an exit sign to indicate that you have reached an exit. Leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card in your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft.
If necessary, an oxygen mask will drop from above your seat. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the straps. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secure before helping others.
Should you need it, you'll find a life vest equipped with a water-activated light under or near your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. Tear open the pouch, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head. Wrap the belt around your waist and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten. If Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube. In case of a water landing, your seat cushion can be used for flotation. To use, slip your arms through the straps and hold it close to your chest.
Smoking is never allowed on the aircraft. U.S. law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. Federal regulations also require passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions.
For taxi, takeoff, and landing, large electronic devices must be turned off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow your device. Make sure you've switched all smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode.
We'll be taking off soon. Please review the safety card located near your seat. Stow your tray table, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest. Make sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please be considerate of other passengers by carrying on only one small bag and one personal item. Please place your personal item under the seat in front of you. At United, safety is global.
From all of us around the world,
Thanks.
thanks.
Ow. Oh. Thanks. And enjoy your flight.
We will be dimming the cabin lights. We recommend you fasten your seatbelt over your blanket or garment so it is visible whenever the seatbelt sign is illuminated. Thanks again for flying with us. I will be back with more detail about tonight's flight after takeoff. Welcome to the friendly skies.
Welcome aboard. With DirecTV in-flight, the best in-flight entertainment is right here in your hands. You'll enjoy your flight with so much to choose from. You can watch live news or your favorite sports. Catch up on your favorites or find something new to watch. We'll keep the kids happy for hours on end with the best in family entertainment. In the mood for a movie? Then check out our exciting selection of Hollywood blockbusters. To get started, you can use your headset or ask a flight attendant for a complimentary headset after takeoff. Then use the remote on your armrest to start surfing by selecting the blue button for the channel guide. It's that easy. Traveling with family or friends on this flight? Swipe the same card on 3 or more screens and receive $2 off each purchase. Just swipe your card. Then sit back and enjoy your flight. United Mileage Plus members, here's an exclusive offer for you. Subscribe to DirecTV at home and receive 25,000 Mileage Plus.
Flight attendants, please be seated for departure.
actually, I'll let you do it. So climb via the SID. So we're going to climb via the Mountain 6 departure, maintain 9,000. So crank that baby to 9,000. That's how we do the altitudes. Perfect. And then it says departure control is 19.2. We put that right there. So, hold on. Yeah, 19.2. So we got ground right there, tower right there, ramp to call for pushback, and that's an emergency frequency. So that's some of the things we got set up right now.